Imagine there's a scent. You should hear it.
At this point.
Yes. Can a biodigester really handle commercial properties? That's one of the most common questions I always get to be asked by those who are interested in constructing a biodigester. This question usually arises because most people think biodigesters are made for small 2-3 bedroom houses. Many of us grew up with a traditional manhole and the septic system as our means of waste management, and that's always been the norm. When the biodigesters came, I've always said they became a game changer, and they have helped us solve a lot of the problems that we do have as a society, especially in this part of the continent.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone.
About 7 years ago, I built a biodigester for a large apartment property. Today, that property is a high-end apartment complex, rented out to tenants and used for short-term stays like Airbnb. The biodigester has been the property's only waste management solution this whole time, and is still running strong. Recently, I got a call from the caretaker, had noticed a smell in some of the bathrooms and were worried it might be coming from the biodigester. And together, we did the inspection of the biodigester, and then this is what actually transpired. Let's watch this video.
I want exclusive permission. The guy who works on the the guy who check your washroom problem is in. So this time I beg you, if you are working, I beg you, can we just sneak in and check so that he doesn't see it's going to come.
I can't see the digesters. They can only do something through the system. But so their problem is what? The scent.
Charlie, sometimes it's no point.
Is it? But they are the only ones.
Two people that will do one.
Yeah, but that's a plumbing issue.
The plumber has checked.
Is it Agni or whoever? The only one. Or
Another person, cheesecake, CP, yes. He has checked time and over. And now we are just experimenting because he are sure.
called some.
He has changed some troughs.
Yeah.
The
And we do have bed.
yes. Yeah. After the old man, finally you have come. Finally.
He's been looking for me. Eh?
Hey, today I was close. Said you said you're coming at ACN.
So these are the digesters.
To just look for.
No. You see now. Imagine there's a scent. You should hear it.
At this point.
Yes. But this direct to it.
Hello.
Those pieces.
Mama, good afternoon. Pacho Jeriaba, the Biodigester guy.
Okay, any she na me ya wasn't walk no akasa no ni na kai.
Atamas, okay.
What do you say? B? Sorry. B should say. I can win a problem now. I tell you, B, but now, yes, it's it. I know, no. What do you say? And maybe I did no moon, I can't know, and the problem never.
Never have flash in your house.
And yet, if it is a TV issue. It's
box back. Is it terrible? But it's the two is car.
I don't know. No, I was already being him. I'm being him. We are going to go. Mammy is washroom. I mean, Mr. Man. Go. That's some more. And also, you know what you make out here. What is on her? And I can't hear you.
I think it's somewhere.
Hanum. And then show, and this one show. It's not sure. Okay.
Oh, bro. Oh. The thing is stressing me.
Because we're 2 rooms there. Here is the first question I ask when someone say they are smelling something in their bathroom. Does the building have a vent? If the property has a proper venting system, that already solves about half the mystery. A working vent should carry any smell from the pipes safely out of the building and away from the bathroom. And the truth is, whenever there's a bad smell in any property that I have constructed a biodigester for, the biodigester is the one thing, or is the first point of contact I'm the first person to be called that my bathroom is smelling, and the biodigester is always the one that's blamed for such a situation. But that's not always fair. The person who should really be called first is the plumber who installed the pipe work, because most bathroom odors can be traced back to the plumbing system and the plumbing, not the biodigester itself. So during the inspection, we check the pipes running through the room, all the openings and connections, the wastewater lines. After going through everything, we came to a clear conclusion. The smell wasn't coming from the biodigester at all. It was coming from greywater, water from sinks and showers, and how it was draining. The lines may have been partially blocked, or some of the covers in the sink and showers weren't sealed properly. Here is my takeaway. Biodigesters really work for commercial properties, and this can be verified. This property right here in Accra, I constructed a biodigester for over 7 years ago, and the biodigester is still in use with the apartment full of tenants, both short stay and long-term users of the facility. There is no issue with the biodigester. I have done biodigesters for homeowners or for public toilets in Ghana as well, and biodigesters work fine depending on the situation. The use of biodigester as a waste management option is in no doubt. On this channel, I have done videos that have shown biodigesters that have been working perfectly for those who are interested in using it as an option in managing their solid waste. Secondly, any bad smell in your property cannot be attributed to a biodigester if constructed well. Bad smells in your bathroom are not usually from the biodigester. Almost every time someone assumes their biodigester is the problem, the real issues turn out to be something else, often the plumbing, the drainage, or the greywater lines. If you have ever hesitated to construct a biodigester for a commercial property because you are in doubt it might not work well or it's not going to serve the property and give you that needed peace of mind, I hope this video puts your mind to rest, because biodigesters, if properly built, can handle any type of facility. The smell mostly in your property or in your bathroom and toilet rooms 99% of the time are not from the biodigester. If a smell shows up later in your toilet room or in your bathroom, get the proper plumbing audit done for the property and ensure there's a vent on the building, and obviously plumbing audit must be done as well on all your greywater lines and all your kitchen and sink bathrooms. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment below, drop us a line, and subscribe and follow this network. On this channel, we do videos that basically explains to you how biodigesters work and how you can use them as an option in managing your property. Follow for more. The next video showing on the channel is going to show you in depth how to construct a biodigester and construct well for your dream house.